Did you know a Persian king once stole Christianity's holiest relic and held it hostage for 15 years? In 614, Khosrow II ruled the largest empire on earth, stretching from India to Egypt. While Byzantine Emperor Heraclius fled in terror, Khosrow's army swept through the Holy Land like a storm. When Jerusalem fell, he personally entered the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. His soldiers seized the true cross, the actual wooden beam Christians believed Christ died on. They loaded it with thousands of sacred relics and marched 35,000 Christians into slavery. The cross traveled 1,000 miles to his capital, where Khosrow installed it in his fire temple as a trophy. For 15 years, Christianity's most sacred object sat in a Zoroastrian shrine while the king proclaimed himself superior to Christ. Emperor Heraclius finally recaptured it in 628, but the damage was done. Christian confidence lay shattered across the empire. Within decades, Arab armies conquered the entire region permanently. One theft changed the course of history.